Hello everyone, are you ready to see how we build the perfect 6 kilowatt solar system starting with the galvanized steel and a reliable 5-inch concrete blocks? These guys can handle the weight of the iron stand and those beautiful monocrystalline panels that will soon be harnessing the power of the sun. Now time to scale the heights. We carefully transport the iron stand and the panels to the roof, ready to being installed. Oh, but before we just slam them, we need to find the sweet spot. We study the sunrise and the sunset patterns in this area, and then we carefully do the measurements and using our expertise to figure out the ideal angle for these panels to capture the most sunshine. After we did our calculations, we find this spot is the perfect spot to install the panels and to put the iron stand there. This solar system contains a 12 panels, 12 550 watt panels, monocrystalline panels.
ايه هيك عم فكر. من وين بدنا نجيب كهرباء؟
Now look how beautiful our stand is. This is the perfect stand to build on a solar panel. Now see how beautiful these panels are. We carefully installed the panels. See how perfectly measured the space between the two panels are perfectly installed. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 shiny panels. Look at this beautiful stand handling 12 panels. And if you don't know how to connect the panels in series or in parallel, I recommend you to watch this video. Now we move on to the combiner boxes, the solar combiner boxes. As you can see, the hardworking managers of all that installer power and these beautiful lithium batteries. These are 10.2 kilowatt lithium batteries ready to being installed. Finally, the inverter links in everything, brain in charge of this green energy operation.
لا لا يركب البلبل بس براس المقطع بس لازم شويه يوسف شيء العافيه
Out of with the old and with the new, we say goodbye to that messy old distribution board and swap it for a clean and efficient upgrade. Look how messy this distribution board is. We will change it to a newer, cleaner one. Now the final touches are in. This is the solar combiner box, 2 in and out breakers, AC breakers, and 2 DC breakers for the batteries, the fuses, and a switch from grid to solar. These are perfectly installed and being connected to the inverter. The final touches on the old distribution board. And now the final touch for the solar distribution board. Now we will program the inverter and the battery to communicate, ensuring smooth energy flow. And after we're done, you will have a gleaming 6 kilowatt solar system ready to slash our clients' electrical bills. As you can see, providing our client a renewable sustainable energy to power up his project and to charge the batteries. Look at this data. Input from the solar power is 17 amps. Give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome solar system content, and we will see you next time.